Happy Wednesday, class. Professor right here checking in with each of you. I hope you're having a beautiful week so far. I wanted to check in with you since we're halfway through Unit 6 and see how things are going for you. I've noticed that there's some dwindling participation last week and this week on the discussion board. So I wanted to remotivate each of you and remind you why you're here. I know that many of you have had health issues or family issues that have prevented you from being timely in your participation. So thank you to everyone who's reached out to me to let me know about various situations and why you might have been late with assignments. But I do encourage you to log on and get caught up with everything that is outstanding. You can do that by logging into Blackboard, clicking on our course, and then on the left Blackboard menu, there is a link called My Grades. And if you click on that link, you can see all your graded work so far. Anything that has a 0 beside it means that I have not received that assignment from you yet. I also wanted to let you know that Unit 5 work has been graded, so you can also check your grades on that. Please don't forget to click the little speech bubble that will take you to your feedback for that assignment. In many cases, I allow you to add additional comments or peer responses, or if you haven't done well, I'll give you a chance to earn additional points. So please read my feedback. Also, many of you struggled with the journal for Unit 5. And so I just wanted to touch on it a little bit so that you might understand what was expected. In the journal for Unit 5, the questions focused on 2 websites that you were to review, and you were to discuss if you had heard of those 2 sites before. And then you were also to discuss why it is important to use reliable sources in academic research and writing. So I want you to go back to your reading for Unit 5 and review why it is important to use reliable sources. And then you were also asked to list some key aspects or features of those 2 sites that let you know that they are reliable sources. So what you need to do is you need to go back and revisit the practice activities 4, 5, 6, and 7 last week. And then you need to also read through your e-textbook reading. There is a chart in there that discusses the CARS test for determining reliability. And so I want you to be specific about what you noticed about those sites that let you know that they're reliable. Think about citations, thinking about the website domain, thinking about other features you might have read about that would lead you to know when you visit that site, hey, I can trust the information that comes from here. So I hope that helps you and gives you a little tip as you go back and try to redo that assignment. Please keep in mind that I'm here for you if you have any questions or you need help on any of your assignments. All you have to do is reach out to me and I'll be happy to help you. Remember that communication is a 2-way street. So if you've got something going on that's causing you to be late or is stressing you out or you just don't understand it, I can't help you if I don't know. So please reach out to me. And I hope that you have a beautiful rest of the week and weekend. And I will talk to you on Friday.